Hi, I'm here with Mr. Raju, the Country Business Director for Electro-Voice and Dynacord.
It's quite good. This is the day two, and we are having lots of customers who are really looking at our new products. And so far, it's a great experience. And still today and tomorrow, we are looking for more customers to come in.
When it comes to India, what are the audio requirements of the market from Electro-Voice and Dynacord?
Yeah, of course, we are basically into professional audio. Electro-Voice and Dynacord are the professional audio brands. And we also see that broadly the market is categorized into three categories. One is, of course, the fixed install, and the second is about portables. Third is about the live sound. While we focus on fixed installed and portables, and when it comes to fixed install, mainly the customers look for the very reliable kind of products, and then also they look for know where they are able to get the right kind of design support and technical support, and then they also look for right kind of system integrators which are well trained. When it comes to portables, it's a little different. While they also look for reliable products, they also look for affordable products, and they also see for whether the products are repairable and parts are available. And across both the categories, they look for very good professional quality sound, which Electro-Voice is known for.
That's great to hear. So, how does Electro-Voice and Dynacord help create that experience that they want?
See, we actually, it's basically Electro-Voice is an US origin brand, and which is almost more than 90 years into existence. And this is known for their signature quality sound. And what we do is, it's basically we train our people, sales and marketing people, so that they give the best in terms of the tuning, design, and also the right kind of guidance to our own customers. But when it comes to distributors, who are the key, our channel partners who really take the products to the market, they focus a lot on demonstrating the products so that they make the customers to choose what they really want. So in a way, we focus a lot on training and the competency of our own channel partners so that they give the best experience to our customers.
What is the way ahead for Electro-Voice and Dynacord?
While most of the professional brands, they are very well set up in metro markets like Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, or this kind of large cities, what we see is the recent trend is in tier 2 and tier 3 towns, there are a lot of demand where the customers are really looking for professional quality audio. So what we are looking at is we are really looking at the partnering with the local retailers and attach them with our distributors and train them so that they also offer the best quality experience to the customers.